Hey, I know I was inactive on this channel for a while. No uploads, no updates, just silence. But if you're still here watching this video, seriously, thank you for sticking with me during that time. Your support means more than you think. Now let's get straight to the point. Have you ever heard of AX Manager? Most people haven't, and that's why they miss out. AX Manager is a powerful performance management tool that helps control background processes, optimize system resources, and unlock smoother performance, especially for gaming. And here's the exciting part. In this video, I'll be providing you with the AX Manager module, a module that helps increase FPS, reduce lag, and make your gameplay noticeably smoother. No fake claims, no useless tweaks, just real optimization that actually works. So make sure you watch till the end, because missing even one step could cost you performance.
So guys, without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So guys, first open the Z-Archiver, as I am using the Z-Archiver as a file manager. Now go to the downloaded folder and go to the folder where you have kept the file. As you can see here, the file simply extracted, as I have already extracted, so I will click replace to all file. As you can see, there are 3 files. Now first install this AX Manager. As you can see, wait for the installation of AX Manager. Guys, after the installation of AX Manager, simply open the AX Manager. Here the AX Manager. As you can see here, the AX Manager. Click to activate, and now click start. Guys, you have to turn on the AX Manager, as I have already turned on the AX Manager from the wireless debugging. Guys, you can see my previous video to know how I can turn on the AX Manager. Now go to the module section, go to the downloaded file, Realme 21. Now go to the downloaded folder, and here's the modules part. As you can see that there are 2 modules. First add this one. Now add the second one, GMS. As you can see that I have turned on these 2 modules. As you can see that the module is running. Now go back, and as you can see that there are 2 modules. Here's the one module. Click open. As you can see guys, follow me, as you have to put the same setting as I am putting. Here's put the turbo, clear cache clear, and turn on both the option. And guys, rest the option will be same. Just put the frame rate according to your device. If your device supports 60, so put 60 fps. If your device support 144 fps, so click 140. As my device supports 60 fps, so I turn on the 60 fps. Guys, and adjust this according to yourself, how much sensitivity you need. Now I will go to the second module. Wait, I find the second module. As here the second module. Also turn on this module. Guys, as you can see that I have applied the 2 modules. Guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.